morning everyone, I am Paul Anthony A. Bani. I am going to make a reaction video about introductory concept and fundamentals of electricity and magnetism. So first is electrical safety. Course not designed to teach you how to work on electrical equipment. Second, you will not be qualified to work on electrical equipment. Third, if you spot problems with electrical equipment, you should report it to your supervisor. So, following electrical safety guidelines, guys, is importante juga na para ma-prevent sa electrical fires, injuries, and fatalities in the home and the workplace. Objectives: be familiar with the fundamental concepts of electricity. Be familiar with the effects of electricity on the human body. Be able to recognize common electrical hazards. So, common electrical danger. Hazards means danger or risk. Be familiar with electrical protective devices. So, performing tasks that involve electricity is very dangerous. Before ka mag-start sa imong buhaton nga nag-involve og electricity, first nimong unahon is imong kagalingon. Dapat imong safety mong unahon first. Then, dapat sad kay balota kung saan paggamit sa mga tools kay basin mura na hinungdan kung unsa ta mo na hinungdan niya ma-harm na noon ta tungod kay wata kay balo kung para asa din na ya patakara ta gamit. Unya, ang pinaka-advisable is while performing tasks that involve electricity, you need to use PPE. Difference between electronic and electrical device. The field of electronics was invented in 1883. Electrical devices had already been around for at least 100 years. So, differences between electronic and electrical device is just it's how devices manipulate electricity to do their work. Electrical device take the energy of electric current and transform it in a simple way into some other form of energy, most likely light, heat, or motion. So, example na ko ana kay kuan kanang anang electrical device is outlet, battery o charger. Kaya sa akong base akong nasabtan is ang electrical device daw is take the energy of electric current man. So mo na ko example niya. Sa example ako sa kanang electronic device is cellphone. Sa mabasa ra pud diha mo na diha. One of the most common things that electronic device do is manipulate electric current in a way that adds meaningful information to the current. So na diha katong mo-flow ang electric current to produce music or sounds or to talk to someone is used by the use of cell phone. So another example na ko ana is radyo siguro. Correct me if I'm wrong lang sir. So maro to, thank you. Peace.